All right, so when I lay on the floor and somebody steps on my back and cracks it up
Sure,
all the way
sure.
up and down, what's happening?
So gas is escaping the joint. So when you hear those pops a little bit, so when you put a thrust in the joint similar to your knuckle, that is just hydrogen gas escaping that joint. It does feel good in the meantime, but you are kind of popping multiple joints, some of which may need it, some of which may not. As far as that, and then you're using a lot of force if someone's stepping on you, doing all that type of stuff. So when we're adjusting people, the kind of pop that or crack that people are we're synonymous for or looking for is gas escaping the joints. When we press on it, the joint will shift and creating that pop in that joint a little bit.